I'm leaving South Africa, guys. No, you guys, no, you are too much. While watching The River, whenever I see Andy, he was just reminding me of Coco Gloria Mudau. I wonder who went for that Duke. Gloria Mudau, Umamulu. As most people were praising Lindiwe for her best performance as a grieving mom, some were dragging down to me, guys, suggesting acting classes for her because they believe she cannot act. But for me, Tumi is the best in her own level, guys. She cannot be compared with Cindy Dlato, and she has grown so much compared to season 1. And yeah, guys, but abantu abaningi abanye bakhala ngokuthi cha engazuthi akakhona uku-act. But for me, she's doing the best and a great job. Mzansi actresses have come out in numbers to commend Cindy Dlato for her recent work in The River, an emotionally charged performance as a grieving mother. The award-winning actress who plays Lindiwe Tikana has been marveled to watch, and fellow actresses gave her the shout-out she deserves. The current storyline sees her burying the youngest daughter, Mbali, after she dies in a car accident. The scene from Tuesday episode sealed the deal, guys. Everyone was like, oh no, we've been crying ever since Umbali passed away. And yeah, it was the funeral, so it was the best performance ever. The amount of emotion Cindy has devoted to her character has left viewers all over Africa and her peers filled with admiration. Masasa Mangeni, Dineo Langa, Noctula Mavuso, Zenande Fenyana, and many others sang Cindy's praises, guys. And the lady who played Tembeka on Scandal tweeted, "I'm always in awe of the places Cindy Dlato goes for Lindiwe. I literally watch and get goosebumps. I also feel so concerned for her because I know how draining shooting at that level of emotional intensity can be. What a queen." Yes, guys, you can leave your comment below, guys, and share your thoughts. And if you like Lindiwe Tikana, please press the like button. Till we meet again, I love you so much, guys. Bye.